More rain-wind thunderstorms with isolated heavy falls and hailstorms are likely in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, and parts of Pakistan on Sunday evenings, night, and Monday. As per the Pakistan Meteorological Department, PMD, a strong westerly wave prevails over most parts of Pakistan. Heavy falls and hailstorms are also likely at isolated places in Upper Punjab, Khyber-Pakhtunkhwa, Kashmir and Balochistan. Heavy torrential rains may generate flash floods in local nullahs of Dera Ghazi Khan, Koh-e-Suleman, Khuzdar, Ziarat, Zhob, Sherani, Bagh, Quetta, Pishin, Kech, Panjgur, Gwadar and Turbat till the 15th of April. Heavy rainfall may generate flash flooding in local nullah streams of Dera, Swat, Chitral, Kohistan, Manshera, and tributaries of the Kabul River till the 15th of April.